Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. And in today's video, I am going to be giving a simple formula that you can use to manifest anything, anytime, any place. I don't care the subject. If you do these two things, you are going to start to notice a shift in your favor in regards to what you're trying to manifest. I don't care if it's love, new love, old love, ex-back love, new money, old money, success in your business, a new car, a new house, whatever it is. Maybe it's a phone call from someone very specific. I don't care what it is. I've been using this formula for years. So stay tuned and watch the whole video so you don't miss out on anything. If you are into the law of attraction and you appreciate techniques that you may have not seen before or heard of, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I have over 100 videos on this channel. Go ahead and subscribe and check out my other videos. If you have something on your mind right now that you are trying to manifest, like something specific, it feels like it's coming, but it just hasn't came yet, and you're waiting on it, go ahead and hit the like button. You are not alone. And if you are comfortable, go ahead and drop a comment. You can say hey, or you can say, hey, I'm claiming that I'm going to receive this. If you are new here, I am Amber with the law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. I have all kinds of tools, including a how to manifest ebook for $5.99 USD. I have guided scripting sheets. I have 16 different subjects. I have raise your vibration audio, all kind of stuff. It's going to be linked below. But let's get into this video. Okay, the first step is finding affirmations that work for you. Now, I know a lot of people say use affirmations, use affirmations, use affirmations. And it's no like slight to anybody, but from my experience, you have to find affirmations that work for you and make you feel good, because that's the purpose of an affirmation, is to claim something, but you have to feel good about it. So like you may come across a video that says, repeat after me, I'm a millionaire. And you're like, I'm a millionaire. No, I'm not. I have $32. You know, you have to find affirmations that work for you. So what do? I start really general. Today's going to be a good day. Something great is going to happen to me today. I love attracting new money. I attract money all the time. I love finding money on the ground. And as you keep building and building and building, you're going to find that one affirmation that said, oh, that felt good when I thought it and when I said it. So keep going in regards to whatever it is you're trying to manifest. Maybe you're trying to manifest a phone call with somebody named Jeremy. Follow me, just an example. So maybe you and Jeremy is not on good terms and you're like, I really miss Jeremy. Well, you can't walk around saying I miss Jeremy, because you're going to continue to miss him, because you're telling the universe, hey, Jeremy ain't around. He's not around. I miss him because he's not around. You get what I'm saying? So instead, you do the approach. I love spending time with Jeremy. I love when Jeremy calls me. I loved when me and Jeremy did this. And you're thinking about the different times you had a good time with Jeremy. So the affirmation that is linked to Jeremy, it feels good. Just an example. But as far as money, if you're not comfortable saying, I am a millionaire, you have to work your way up to that. And when money does start flowing in, you're going to be more comfortable saying, I'm a millionaire. I'm going to be a millionaire by Tuesday. I'm going to be a millionaire this year. And there's confidence behind those affirmations. You get what I'm saying? In one of my previous videos, I said, I start with, if you're having like a rough day or a rough time in life in general, I start off with the affirmation, everything is going to be okay. Everything is working out for me. And I keep building until I find my affirmation. So I may go into, I deserve to have a good life. I deserve to be happy. I am happy. This makes me happy. I love having days where I'm happy, and I keep on building. I keep on building until I strike a few of those affirmations that makes me feel good. So that's what I recommend you doing. Every affirmation isn't going to be for you. Like, I give a list of examples that you can use in my How to Manifest ebook. And then I have like the audio, the 153 positive affirmations audio included in my Law of Attraction tool bundle. You find one and you keep on searching for that affirmation. So now when you do find your affirmations, this is what I want you to do. Visualize you already having what you want. As in you yourself, you're not looking at yourself out of your eyes view, you already having whatever it is that you want. So for example, I'm an entrepreneur and I get payment notifications on my phone. So what I do do, and it freaks me out how fast this works. But as I'm feeling good, I'm saying my affirmations, and then I'm looking down. I grab my phone and I'm looking down as if I already, like a new payment has came in, right? So I'm looking at it and I'm visualizing it already happening. You can go as far into detail with your visualization as you would like. If you're not familiar with what visualizing is, it's pretty much imagining it happening to you. But I will say, be specific with your visualization. And I want you to visualize the scene at least 2 to 3 times, back to back to back. Now, I'm gonna give an example just so you know like how far to go. Okay, I would say a couple years ago, I was trying to manifest a phone call from someone specific. Yes, I know I could have picked up the phone, but I wanted them to call me. We were not on good terms. I wanted them to call me. And I had been visualizing me seeing their name come up on my phone as if they're calling me, right? So one day, I woke up and I had a missed call from the person. And I was like, oh shoot, it worked. It was a butt dial. It was a butt dial. Yeah, they didn't mean to do it, but seeing how my name is Amber, I'm in the top of a lot of people's list, okay? And it was an accident. So, although it happened, but you have to be a little more specific. So when that happened, I was like, oh, okay. So I have to finish my vision as if we're having a conversation after it comes up. You get what I'm saying? So if you're trying to visualize something and you're missing details, I'm just trying to tell you what could happen. Finish out the visual. That's something you can do at any time of the day. But I do recommend after you're done visualizing, switch to thinking about something that makes you extremely happy. But thank you guys for the support. Like I said, if you want more law of attraction tips, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for every donation. As you could probably see, I finally have a thanks button, so you don't have to go out of your way to send me a tip. Right there. It's right there below the video. Donate $1 or $2 to my channel and I appreciate it. Law of attraction tools are going to be linked in my description box. Like, go to my community tab and check out the testimonials. They, like I said over the weekend, those are the things that make me the happiest, because what I'm telling y'all are using it and then it's working for you guys. So I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And until next time.